Have you noticed how those mesmerizing AI ASMR videos have completely taken over social media? They're popping up everywhere, from TikTok to YouTube, pulling in millions of views every day. It's not hard to see why. These videos aren't just visually captivating, they're oddly satisfying to watch, drawing people in with crisp, clean sounds and beautiful, hyper-detailed visuals. Those creators are making serious money from this trend through platforms like the TikTok Creativity Program and YouTube AdSense, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. But here's the challenge. Many people have been relying on Google Veo3 to create these AI ASMR videos, and the truth is, Veo3 doesn't work in certain countries or regions. So if you're one of those creators feeling stuck or left out, don't worry. This video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create captivating AI ASMR videos with satisfying sound effects without relying on Veo3. You'll learn how to make them from scratch with tools that work anywhere in the world, no matter where you're located. So make sure you watch until the very end, because I don't want you to miss any crucial steps. All right, let's get started. First, let's cover how to create ASMR videos for those of you using Veo3. To make this process super simple, I've put together a Google Doc filled with ready-to-use prompts you can use to create your own unique ASMR video prompt in just a few minutes. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description. Be sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far in the video, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more creators like you. All right, now let's get back to it. First, open the Google Doc and copy the Veo3 video prompt. Then, head over to any text generator AI tool you like. For this example, we'll use ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and hit Enter. ChatGPT will break down the prompt for you and give you a set of fresh, unique ASMR ideas you can use to create captivating videos with Veo3. You can either type in any object you'd like to feature, and ChatGPT will craft a prompt tailored just for it, or you can simply pick from the examples it provides. It's a quick and easy way to create endless ASMR video ideas, and it works every time. Now it's time to generate our ASMR video using Google Veo3. To get started, click the link in the description, then select Try with Flow, then click on Create with Flow to set up your account with an email. Once you're logged in, you'll see a pop-up message saying you must be a Google AI subscriber to use Veo3. Don't worry, just click Subscribe. You'll get a 1-month free trial when you add your card, and you won't be charged until the trial ends. After that, click New Project, and you'll be taken to the creation interface. Make sure it's set to text to video, adjust the settings, set output per post to 1, and select the Veo3 quality model. Now head back to ChatGPT, copy one of the example prompts it gave you, and paste it into Veo3. Click Generate, and Veo3 will start creating your ASMR video. This might take a moment, so just be patient. And here it is. Your ASMR video is ready. Let's preview it. The sound effects and visuals are spot on, so captivating and satisfying. At this point, you can download it directly to your device, and that's it. That's how you create mesmerizing ASMR videos with Google Veo3. Now let's create an ASMR video from scratch, completely without relying on Veo3. The very first step is to generate beautiful, high-quality ASMR images, and for that, we're going to use Ideogram. If you don't have an account yet, just head over to Ideogram and sign up. It only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon to open up the creation interface. Here you can fine-tune your settings to match the style you want. I recommend choosing the realistic style for crisp, lifelike results. Then adjust the aspect ratio. Use 9:16 if you're making a vertical video for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or 16:9 if you're creating a standard widescreen YouTube video. Once you've got that set, it's time to craft a strong prompt. Open up the Google Doc where I've added a sample image prompt, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. When you hit Enter, ChatGPT will respond with a message saying, "I'm ready for your object description." Now you can simply type in whatever object you want to feature in your ASMR scene. For example, a jelly box made of hot lava. Then click Enter, and ChatGPT will give you a highly detailed ASMR-style prompt tailored to your request. Copy the prompt ChatGPT gives you, head back to Ideogram, paste it into the input box, and click Generate. The AI will start creating a set of images based on your description. In just a few moments, you'll be presented with 4 beautifully images. Take a moment to preview each one and pick the image that best captures the vibe you're going for. Once you've found the one that's just right, download it directly to your device. Now it's time to bring our ASMR image to life by turning it into a captivating video complete with satisfying sound effects. And for this, we're going to use Kling AI. Head over to Kling AI and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and choose Image to Video. This will open the animation interface. Upload the ASMR image you just generated in Ideogram, and then it's time to guide the AI. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt you used to create your image, and paste it into Kling AI. This tells the AI exactly how you want the animation to behave. Make sure you enable the sound effects option. This is key for adding those crisp, satisfying ASMR sounds that really make the scene pop. Next, adjust your settings. If you're on the paid version, set the mode to professional for the best quality. If you're on the free version, stick with the standard mode. Then select the video length. 5 or 10 seconds works well. And click Generate. The AI will now start creating your video. It may take a moment, so be patient and watch the magic happen. Our image has been animated. Let's preview it. And just like that, your still ASMR image is now an animated, highly satisfying video. The sound effects are crisp and the animation is smooth. Now go ahead and download it to your device. All right, let's make another ASMR video. Go back to ChatGPT and type in the object you'd like to feature. Let's use kinetic sand for this example. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you a highly detailed prompt you can use to create the image. Copy that prompt, then head over to Ideogram, paste it in, and make sure your settings are still configured the same way as before. Click Generate, and Ideogram will produce 4 different images based on your prompt. Browse through the results, pick the one you like best, and download it to your device. Next, open the Kling AI animation section. Import the image you just saved, and paste in the same prompt you used to create it. Make sure the sound effects option is enabled, and double-check that your settings match the ones you used earlier. Then click Generate and let the AI work its magic. Once it's done, you'll have a beautifully animated ASMR video. If the animation or sound doesn't quite match your vision, don't worry. You can always click Regenerate until you get the results you're happy with. And there you have it. Another mesmerizing ASMR video created from scratch, completely without using Veo3. Let's take a look at other ASMR videos we created. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.